Another great feature here is the inbuilt fault finding. As you can see, as soon as a fuse is missing, you get a blown fuse indicator turning on, as long as you got a load connected that actually closes the circuit so the LED can come on. Another thing that is really cool is, let's say you got a break in your circuit somewhere, just showing that by disconnecting the light, but you're turning the circuit on, you get a control light for the circuit. So you know everything is okay up to this point. The fault must be somewhere further down the line. As it is, and as soon as we fix the fault, the light will turn back on. Another great feature is that just in case your switch circuit is broken, but you do have to turn on that circuit, you can take the cover of the DC hub and you've got override switches. So you can turn the circuit on directly on the board, which is built in as a redundancy to make sure that whatever happens, you can still turn your circuits on. And it is also very handy for fault finding in case you haven't got the switch circuit connected and you want to check out what's going on. You can turn on the circuit, and as soon as it turns on, you get a control light on here.